Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, this spicy, garlicky air fryer chicken legs taste absolutely irresistible. Hello friends, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries. Today's recipe is going to be an interesting one and perfect for those who love spicy fried chicken legs but wants to keep it light and healthy without deep frying. So let's get started with this easy and mouth-watering chicken legs recipe in the air fryer, which I'm sure you're going to love it. And here I've taken 4 chicken legs or drumsticks that has been pat dried, and I've made slits or gashes on both the sides of the chicken legs so that the flavors of the marination can penetrate deep inside. For that, we'll take a bowl and into it goes 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. For seasoning, we'll add some salt as per taste, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder. Then this is smoked paprika, adding a tablespoon of it, which will give a mild spicy and smoky flavor. Also, we'll be adding this garlic and herb mix or seasoning, which will greatly enhance the flavor of the marination sauce. I'm adding here 1 tablespoon of it. And to enhance the flavor of garlic, I'm going to add some freshly crushed garlic. So I've used here 3 medium-sized garlic pods. And to add a spicy flavor to the marination sauce, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce, but you can add any other hot sauce of your choice. And finally, into this goes the juice of half a lime. Now let's mix all the ingredients until they are well combined. And our spicy, garlicky, flavorful marination sauce is ready. We'll now generously add the marination sauce over the chicken legs or drumsticks. And we'll massage the marination sauce on both the sides of the chicken legs, especially near the areas where splits or gashes has been made, so that the flavors of the marination sauce is well absorbed by the chicken legs and they turn juicy and flavorful after getting cooked. So the chicken legs has been well massaged with the marination sauce, and now I'm going to let them rest for at least an hour for best results. And now time to arrange the chicken legs in the air fryer basket. For that, I have already lined the air fryer basket with perforated sheets or parchment papers so that the skin of the chicken legs don't stick to the basket and the basket remains mess free. Alright, arranging is done, and now I'm going to air fry the chicken legs at 200 degrees Celsius first for 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes now, and the chicken legs are well browned from the top side and are partially cooked. And now I'm going to flip the drumstick so that the other side also gets cooked. We'll brush the chicken legs with some of the leftover marination sauce so that the drumsticks or chicken legs remains moist and juicy while getting cooked in the air fryer. And now again we need to cook the chicken legs at 200 degrees Celsius for another 10 minutes. After another 10 minutes, the chicken legs are well browned and cooked through and are ready to be served hot. And here goes our spicy and garlicky air fryer chicken legs that are crisp on the outside and juicy on the inside and turns out absolutely delicious. And friends, these mouth-watering chicken legs are best to be enjoyed with your favorite dip. I have served the chicken legs with garlic and herb mayo. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious chicken legs recipe in the air fryer. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and you can check out my other interesting air fryer recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.